Dear student, welcome to NIVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Ayesha Siddiqua Sara, Assistant Teacher of Arts and Craft at National Ideal English Version School Morning Shift. Today I am going to take a class for class Junior 1. And in today's topic, look at the board. I have already written two butterfly with color. Okay, this one is your lecture number 5 and SW number 5 also. You must mention your SW number, term, half yearly, and when you start your drawing, you must write down the topic name also. This one is the topic. Everyone write down the topic first. Remember this, write down the topic first. If you have any query, you can call me by this mobile number. So everyone look at the screen. Today is very nice topic. All of you I know like that. First draw like this and give two curved line like this and start like a this and this. Isn't looks like a B? Your letter B, and draw again the letter and give this type of line for, and give here some curved line for decoration, and give here another line, and give here the tiny circle. Okay, and you can draw another butterfly. First give type of line, give this type of line, and draw just one, and give here another line, and give this like this, and give here another like this, and give some circle also. Okay, if you want you can give here a flower also, but this is not mandatory. Okay, if you want you can give here. And thus bird also. Now I will brief you which color I have used in this topic. Look at the board. I have colored a picture for you. Okay, and I have colored first the sky. If you want you can give the sky portion also. I said you before that this one is not mandatory if you want. Okay, and I have used color. Here I have used pink color, and in this portion I have used orange color, and this tiny circle I have filled with deep blue color, and this line I have drawn by the black color, and on the and this other butterfly I have used here black and left this place white, and here I have used yellow, light yellow color, and the inside of the butterfly decoration I have used here deep pink color and purple color also, and this line is same as the first butterfly. You can use here the black color, and on the sky I have used here first deep color and fill with the light blue color, and left the cloud white, and in this flower I have used blue, and here I have used also blue, and left some white space, and here on the leaf grass leaves I have used deep green and light green. So dear student, if you want you can color by your own choice. No, there is no need to follow my color. If you want you can color by your own self. This one is your HW. Everyone remember this, that you must mention, you will must mention the HW number. Okay, HW number 5. Maximum student didn't mention this. Okay, this one is HW, this one is your HW number 5, and you will submit this at Saturday 9 am to 1 pm. So my dear student, no more today. Practice at your home. Thank you.